Hello, hello, hello! I am back with a highly requested video to make another Cocktails with Colt, and obviously with the drop of 818, Kendall Jenner's new tequila line, and Kim Kardashian's favorite drink, as she posted on her Instagram story, I thought it was only necessary to make the 818 Margarita. Here's everything you will need to make the 818 Margarita. Obviously, you're gonna need the 818 Tequila Blanco, agave syrup to taste, which I'm using agave nectar, and I think to taste is just whatever your preference, the little taste buds in your mouth, whatever they want, they get. 0.75 fluid ounces of fresh lime juice. Now I bought just regular limes, not the organic ones. I'm sorry, Kendall. And 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. I don't know what this is. I thank God they had shooters because the bottle was literally more expensive than the tequila. So I just got a shooter because you only need 1 ounce. And obviously it's a margarita, so you need to rim the glass with salt. So the first step is having us literally rim the glass. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of salt. So here's how you rim it, okay? You are going to grab your lime wedge and just literally squeeze all over the rim. And then you're just gonna dip this into the salt. I think you should use like sea salt, something more like iconic and like bougie. This Morton's will do the job. Isn't that so cute? I love like doing that. All right, now let's make the drink. So you're gonna grab your cocktail maker or mixer. I'm the maker, this is the mixer. Now we are gonna add the tequila, which you guys, I took a shot of this earlier. It's so freaking good. Like you could just do this. Literally, you don't make a face, you don't even need a lime. It's smooth as can be. Let's do product placement, Colt. So 1.5 ounces of tequila equals 3 tablespoons. So we are gonna put that into our mixer. Oh. 1, 2, 3, and this is for Kendall, Kylie, Chris, Chloe, Courtney, and Kim. Now that we have the tequila, the next ingredient is... What is the next ingredient? Agave syrup. Now this is to taste, okay? So literally, you can just put however much you did in there. Since I put a little extra tequila because that's how I like it and I did it for the whole family, we are gonna just do like that much. I'll just do 3 little. Next is lime juice, and we need 1.5 ounces, which is 1.5 tablespoons. So, oh man. Oh man, it's gonna ruin my spray tan. Oh, this is just gorgeous. Fresh as can be. Okay, we did 1. Now you need a half of 1. Oh my gosh, how do bartenders do? Oh, I just poured it all out. How do bartenders do this at the bar? There we go. Okay, that's 1.5. Now that we have the tequila and the lime juice, it's time to add, I think, the secret little sauce to the recipe, which is Grand Marnier. I don't know how to say it, what it is. My sister went to bartending school and she said this is a staple for bartenders, so I feel like I probably had it before in my life, but what was that? I don't know how to explain what that was. Oh, oh shit, bitch. Okay, we're gonna add that to our, what the, this like got me drunk already. So 1 ounce is 2 tablespoons, okay? I hope this isn't whiskey because I hate whiskey. I don't think it is. What is it? Liqueur. Cognac and orange liqueur. Okay, it's just like flavor liqueur. Now that we have that added, all you have to do is add a little bit of ice cubes to the mixer. Okay, mama. Put on the top of the shaker. Now it says to shake for 10 seconds until everything is mixed, and then we are gonna pour it into our glass, which I'm gonna do the remaining ice here. Let's get to shaking. Are you counting? Because I'm not. I think everything's mixed. Uh-oh. 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 Oh no, how do you do this? Is it not supposed to come off? I feel like it comes off. Oh no. Play the, oh no, 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 no. There we go, I got it. Now I'm so excited for this. Margaritas are my absolute favorite. Let's try Kendall's famous 818 Margarita. Perfection. time for the taste test. That's a lot of salt. Mmm. Okay, this is, to be honest with you, really easy to make, really delicious. I forgot how much tequila I added, so I should have put a little bit more of the extra ingredients in there. But girl, the best tequila, the best margarita. I understand why this is Kim Kardashian's drink of choice. Kendall, you outdid yourself. I'm obsessed. Okay, let me get one more drink. I'm obsessed, Kendall. This was everything. Please go get yourself a bottle of 818. There's 2 other types of tequila. Blanco, obviously, is my favorite. Blonde. And yeah, I love this. This is so good, and I can't wait for you guys to make it at home. Let me know how you like it, and cheers to 818, and Kendall, and Kylie, and Cam, and Courtney, and Chloe, and Chris.